In this video, we'll go through exam questions that cover the criteria add, subtract, multiply and divide decimals up to 2 decimal places. You can locate the questions on the mathsmath.com website under level 1. The questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the non-calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here is the first question. John works Monday to Friday. He buys his lunch on his way to work. Each day, John buys a sandwich, a bottle of water and a bag of crisps. John thinks he will save more than £7.50 a week if he buys his lunch each day from shop B instead of shop A. Is John correct? You must show your working. So we've got shop A. Any sandwich costs £2.85, a bottle of water 60p, a bag of crisps 85p. Shop B, we've got a £3 meal deal which contains any sandwich, a bottle of water, a bag of crisps. So let's have a look at how much it costs to get these items from shop A. Sandwich £2.85, bottle of water 60p, and bag of crisps 85p. Adding these together, we get 5 and 5, which is 10, so 0 down, 1 carried over. 8 and 8 is 16, and the 6, that is 22, and the 1 we carried over, that is 23, so 3 down, 2 carried over, 2 and 2 is 4, so £4.30. Whereas in shop B, that all of this costs £3. So to work out the difference, we'll do £4.30, take away £3, which is £1.30. So John would save £1.30 each day if he shops at shop B. He works Monday to Friday, so that is 5 days. So if we multiply £1.30 by 5, does it give us £7.50? Let's see. So 5 times 0, that is 0. 5 times 3, that is 15. So 5 down, 1 carried over. 5 times 1, that is 5, and the 1, that is 6. So we've got 2 decimal places in the first number, because there are 2 digits after the decimal point. And in 5, there are no decimal places because it's a whole number. So we need to give our answer 2 decimal places. So going backwards, 1, 2. That's where we're going to place the decimal point. So £6.50. Whereas John said that he thinks he will save more than £7.50 a week if he buys his lunch each day from shop B instead of shop A. So is John correct? We're going to say no. He saves £6.50. You are reviewing the nursery's expenses. So you assume you work in a nursery. You create this spreadsheet. Gas and electricity, £75.13. Food, £62.95. Activity materials, £41.92. How much does the nursery spend each week? Write the answer in the box below. So we add in £75.13, £62.95, £41.92, lining them up correctly. So we've got pence under the pence and pounds under the pounds. The decimal points line up as well. So adding 3, 5 and 2. 3 and 5 is 8 and 2 is 10, so 0 down, 1 carried over. 9 and 1 is 10, and another 9 and 1, which is 10, so 10 and 10 is 20. 0 down, 2 carried over. 5 and 2 is 7, and the 2 is 9 and the 1 is 10, so 0 down, 1 carried over. 6 and 4 is 10 and the 7 17 and the 1 18, so £180. Calculate 14.73 plus 18.49. Show your calculations and the workings out here. So 14.73 plus 18.49. 9 and 3, that is 12, so 2 down, 1 carried over. 7 and 4, that is 11, and the 1, that is 12, so 2 down, 1 carried over. 8 and 4 is 12, and the 1 13, so 3 down, 1 carried over. So 1, 2, 3, 33.22. Work out 7.28 divided by 4. So 7.28 divided by 4. How many 4s fit into 7? That's just 1, because 1 times 4 is 4, so we have 3 remaining. We transfer the decimal point to the answer. How many 4s into 32? That is exactly 8, so we have nothing remaining there. How many 4s into 8? That is exactly 2. So 1.82 is the answer. Work out 0.2 times 0.4. So 0.2 times 0.4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0. Moving to 0 now, but putting 0 down. 0 times 2 is 0, and 0 times 0 is 0. So 8, 0, 0. Looking at the numbers, this one has 1 decimal place, and this one has 1 decimal place. So combined, that is 2 decimal places. So we need to give our answer 2 decimal places. Going backwards, 1, 2, 0.08. That's the answer. Ahmed wants to buy a laptop. He can either pay the cash price of £689.95 or pay £73.50 per month for 10 months. How much more does the laptop cost if he pays for it monthly? So if he pays monthly, we're going to multiply 10 by £73.50. So I'll write the digits again. When we multiply it by 10, we move the decimal point 1 place to the right to make the number bigger, 10 times bigger. So from here, that's going 1 place to the right. So it will be £735. So we're comparing that to £689.95. So 735 take away 689.95. Okay, so we need to take away 5 from the 0, which means we've got to borrow, but there is nothing next door, so we've got to borrow 1 from the pounds here. So this becomes 4 and this becomes 10. Now we can borrow 1 from the 10. So it becomes a 9 there. We've got 10 take away 5, which gives us 5. 9 take away 9, which is 0. Now we've got to take away 9 from the 4, which means we've got to borrow 1 from the 3. So this becomes 14. Take away 9 gives us 5. Again, taking away 8 from the 2 means we've got to borrow 1 from the 7. So the 7 becomes a 6. 12 take away 8 gives us 4. 6 take away 6 is 0. So £45 and 5 pence. That's how much more it costs if paying for the laptop monthly. Now we're moving to the calculator questions. John buys food in preparation for his opening day. We've got cabbage, price is 64p, number of items 5, so total price will be 5 times 0.64 pounds. We're going to convert these into pounds because I can see that some other items are given in pounds. So using a calculator, we will do 5 times 0.64, which gives us 3.2. So that is £3.20. Pack of carrots, 30p, 20 of them, so 20 times 0.30. That's what 30p is in pounds. And that gives us £6. Pack of tomatoes, £1.25, 11 of them, so 11 times 1.25. We don't need to change this one because it's already in pounds. And that gives us £13.75. Cucumbers, 50p, so that is 0.50. 9 of them, so 9 times 0.50. That gives us £4.50. And we've got pack of onions, £1, and that is 15 of them, so 15 times 1, which we know is £15. So we're going to add all of these together. So £3.20 plus £6 plus £13.75 plus £4.50 plus £15. That gives us £42.45. The empty cycle bags weigh 0.76 kilograms each. Asha says 2 of these cycle bags together will weigh less than 1.6 kilograms. Is Asha correct? Explain your answer. So if we add 0.76 and 0.76, would that be less than 1.6 kilograms? Now we can use a calculator, so I'm just going to do 2 times 0.76, which is 1.52, and that's kilograms, so the answer will be in kilograms. So less than 1.6, that is less than 1.6 because it's 1.52. So yes, she's correct. We've got to work out 74,035.52 divided by 3.7. So 20,009.6. Double checking, that is what we've got here as well. Calculate 7.26 divided by 24.2. That gives us 0.3. calculate 2.002 times 0.9, and it gives us 1.8018. Rayan has collected £3,697.40 from the 380 ticket sales. The football club will donate £2.94 for each ticket to charity. How much money will be left after the donation? Show your calculations and the workings out here. So 380 tickets were sold, and for each ticket the football club will donate £2.94 to the charity. So we're going to multiply this by 2.94. Which gives us 1,117.2. If we take that away from the 3,697.4, then we can work out the difference. How much money will be left after the donation? So 2,590.2. So we've got to make sure we have 2 digits when it comes to money, 2 digits after the decimal point. So £2,580.20. In the next week, the total income at the restaurant is £14,800. The table shows the cost to run the restaurant that week. Work out the profit for the week. So we've got wages of chefs, 210 hours at £9.35 per hour. Wages of waiters, 570 hours at £7.90 per hour. Other costs, £3,700. So let's work these out. So 210 times 9.35 gives us 1,963.5. And we can add the 0 since it's money we're talking about. So it's £1,963.50. Wages of waiters, we've got 570 hours times 7.90. That's the rate per hour. So 4,503. And we also have 3,700 as other costs. So let's add all of these together. We have £4,503 already in the calculator. I'm going to add 3,700 and £1,963.50. So that is £10,166.50. We've got to work out the profit, so we've got to take this away from the £14,800. That was the total income for the week. That gives us £4,633.50. You pay £17.99 for luggage weighing up to 15 kilograms. You pay an extra amount for each additional kilogram of luggage. Jo's luggage weighs 19 kilograms. She pays £23.99. Steve's luggage weighs 22 kilograms. How much does he pay? So up to 15 kilograms, you pay £17.99. And then an extra amount for each additional kilogram. So Joe's luggage weighs 19 kilograms. So 19 take away 15, that is 4 kilograms extra. So for 4 kilograms, she has paid £23.99. Take away £17.99. So we're working out the difference. So £23.99 take away £17.99 gives us £6. So £6 for 4 kilograms. So if I do 6 divided by 4, it will give me how much per kilogram. And that's £1.50, but you can do it here using a calculator as well. So £1.50 for each additional kilogram. So we're going to work out how much Steve is going to pay now. So Steve's luggage weighs 22 kilograms. So for up to 15, he will pay £17.99. But that's more than 15. So 22 take away 15, that gives us 7 kilograms. Extra. So 7 times £1.50 gives us £10.50. So we're going to add that to the £17.99. And that gives us £28.49. The tank in Ian's car can hold 11.6 gallons of petrol. The petrol gauge shows how full the tank is. So at the moment, that's at this point here, this one is half, so this is half of half, so it's a quarter full. So if the full thing is 11.6 gallons, at this point, a quarter of this whole thing will be 11.6 divided by 4. So 2.9 gallons. So Ian's car travels 46 miles for each gallon of petrol. The concert where he's going is 70.3 miles from his home. Is there enough petrol in the car to get to the concert and back? You must show you're working. So the car currently has 2.9 gallons of petrol. It does 46 miles for each gallon, so we're going to do 2.9 times 46 to get the number of miles it can do. So that is 133.4 miles. The concert is 70.3 miles from his home, so we're going to do 2 times 70.3 because we're looking at Ian going to the concert and coming back as well. So 2 times 70.3 gives us 140.6 miles. The car can only do 133.4 miles, not 140. So we're going to say no. Vicky and Zach work part-time in a hotel. Vicky works on the reception desk. Her normal rate of pay is £9.65 per hour. She's paid double for working on a bank holiday. 1 week she works for 30 hours in total. 26 of these hours are at her normal rate of pay. The other hours are on a bank holiday. Work out her total pay for the week. So 26 hours times 9.65, which is the normal rate of pay, so that gives us £250.90. And then the other hours are on a bank holiday, so 30 hours in total. Take away 26, that gives us 4 hours. So 4 hours she's paid double the amount. So it's like working 4 hours but being paid for 8. That's why we're going to do 8 times 9.65. Or you could just double the rate and multiply it by 4. That should work as well. It's going to give you the same answer. So £77.20. So we're going to add these two together to work out the total. And that gives us £328.10. Zach is a porter in the hotel. He takes the guest luggage to their rooms. He is paid £8.10 per hour. Here are the hours he worked 1 week. Monday 5 p.m. to 9 p.m, Thursday 3 p.m. to 6 p.m, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Was he paid more than £90 for the week? You must show your working. 5 p.m. to 9 p.m, that is 4 hours. 9 take away 5 gives us 4. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m, 6 take away 3 gives us 3, so that's 3 hours. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m, that is 2 hours. From 12 to 2, that is 2 hours. So 4 hours for that day. So in total, that is 4 and 3, which is 7. And the 4, that is 11 hours. So 11 hours, the rate is £8.10. So 11 times 8.1 gives us 89.1. So that was £89 and 10 pence. Was he paid more than £90 for the week? No, because £89.10 is less than £90. Jack decides to visit Turkey in July. The table shows the costs for a holiday in July. Jack wants to travel on 12th of July and stay for 14 nights. He has £1,100 to pay for the holiday. Can he afford to upgrade to all-inclusive for all 14 nights? You must show your working. So he wants to travel on 12th of July. That is this row here, because it says 11 to 18th of July. And he's staying 14 nights. So that costs £760. Upgrade to all-inclusive for £21.50 per person per night. So we're going to do 14 times £21.50 to be added on top of the £760 and see whether that is under £1,100, which is the budget that he has. So we're going to do 14 times £21.50, which is 301. So adding this, we get £1,061, and that is less than 1,100. So can he afford to upgrade to all-inclusive for all 14 nights? We're going to say yes. Sandra is shopping for items of school uniform for her children, Fred and Beth. The shopping list below shows the prices of the items Sandra needs to buy. So we've got for Fred 2 jumpers, 2 school jumpers, £17.50 each, 3 grey trousers, £10.75 each, 1 sports polo shirt, £14, 1 pack white shirts, £12.95 per pack, school shoes, £45. Beth, 2 packs white shirts, £11.99 per pack, 2 skirts, £9.50 each, 1 sports polo shirt, £14.50, 1 sports coat, £9, 1 rugby shirt, £22.95, school shoes, £38. Fred says the total cost of my uniform is lower than Beth's. Is Fred correct? You must show your working. So let's work them out. For Fred, we've got the 2 school jumpers, £17.50 each. So we're going to do 2 times £17.50, which is £35. 3 grey trousers at £10.75 each. So we're going to do 3 times £10.75. That is £32.25. Then we have a polo shirt, £14, and 1 pack of white shirts, £12.95, and the shoes, which cost £45. Let's add all of these together. So 35 add 32.25 add 14 add 12.95 add 45 gives us £139 and 20 pence. For Beth, that is 2 packs of white shirts, so we're going to do 2 times 11.99, which is 23.98. we've got 2 skirts at £9.50 each, so 2 times 9.5, which is 19. Polo shirt at £14.50. The skirt at £9. Rugby shirt £22.95, and the shoes £38. Adding these together, 23.98 plus 19 plus 14.5 plus 9 plus 22.95 plus 38. That gives us £127.43. So Beth has probably more items, but the overall cost is lower. So what Fred says doesn't really stand, is not correct, because £139.20 is higher than £127.46. So we're going to say no, is not correct. The table shows the cost for making the 50 handbags. So we've got leather, chain, fasteners and other costs detailed. John expects to sell all 50 bags. He wants to make at least £3.50 profit on each bag. Work out the minimum price he should sell each bag for. So let's work out the total cost first. So I'm going to add all of these using a calculator. So £252.50 at £33.50 and £119.50 plus £87 gives us £492.50. Now he wants to make at least £3.50 profit for each bag, so that's 50 bags times £3.50 gives us £175. So we're going to add that on top of the £492.50, which is the cost of making the bags. And that gives us £667.50. So that's how much he should charge for all the bags, all the 50 bags. So what we're going to do now, divide that by 50 to get the price per bag. So divide that by 50 gives us £13.35. That's the minimum price he should charge. Spencer works from home for a call centre. Spencer works 3 days a week from 7:30 AM until 12 noon each day. That is 30 minutes till 8 AM and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 hours, 4.5 hours each day. And he does 3 days a week, so 3 times 4.5, which is 13.5 hours each week. He's paid £151 47 pence per week. Is this more than £11 per hour? You must show your working. So we've got the total amount that he's paid per week, which is £151.47. If we divide that by the number of hours that he does per week, it should give us how much he's paid. So divide that by 13.5. So 151.47 divided by 13.5 gives us 11.22. So that is £11.22 per hour. So that is more than £11 per hour, so we're going to say yes. And this is the end of the question.